So we got some nice little packages today from Michael's, one of my favorite hobby stores. So which box do you want to open first, Nina?
This one.
All right, let's open that. See what's in there.
So it's pretty. Very pretty. Pretty. Some
Hold them so I can see them. Yep.
sunflowers.
All righty. What's going on? Okay, we'll just see what else is in there.
Oh, it's part of this.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, some wrapping paper, birthday paper.
Bring it close, let me see. Ooh, that's cute. All right.
And some more sunflowers.
Don't hold them by the leaves.
On the back.
All right, cool. They pretty. That's it for that box.
Yes.
All right. Which box you gonna open next?
This one.
Okay.
Some sunflower stickers.
Can you bring them a little closer?
Oh, candles. Oh, they smell like cinnamon too.
Can you take it out of the plastic? Ooh, they do smell good.
Yep, they're sunflower stickers. I mean candles.
You don't have to wrap it back up. Nothing. That's cool. We already saw it. Should be 3, huh?
Yes, 3.
Okay. That's it?
Yes.
All right. All right, we got the last box for you to open.
2 done, 1 down to go. It's a crate.
Let me see.
That's the inside, and it has some orange, paper.
It's a glow in the dark ribbon.
Okay, it's a glow in the dark ribbon. And
I think that one glows in the dark too, but I'm not sure.
yeah, it's a glow in the dark.
Okay.
Yeah, it's two glow in the dark ribbons.
How cute. Well, Michaels, you owe us some money. We're going to be expecting our check in the mail. And guys, I'm going to make something very special with all these items. So tune back in to see what we do with all these crafts. Have a good night. See you soon.